It's time to see where the wind takes us.
Into the thick of it.
Facts. We're out here exploring.
Oh no!
Oh wow. There's a lot of something that I ran over. Oh wow.
Scrapage.
I must have been dragging something. Okay. Well, time to floor it and see what happens. Well, looks like the PTM is working good. I'm gonna move this back here and reset this, and we should be Gucci.
Road's looking very damp these days.
It's like these turns right here would be the most sus.
Yeah. Like those dip and dive turns, they remind me of skiing. And
oh, you're right.
When you're in the moguls and you can't slow down sometimes.
Yeah, I'm bad at moguls. That's reminds me of the tail.
Oh yeah. Tailgate festivals this weekend. Comment down below if you ever went to that. Dang.
It's like to get windy too.
Yeah. Not ideal weather.
Okay. We've caught up to the non-speed limiters. Like we're still not speeding really. Look at all these U-turn marks. Okay, now I'm gonna go tracky off.
Oh boy.
I'm not gonna drive too hard.
Slippy. We about to be slippy sliding.
It's like if I can't see around it, it feels mad sussy.
I'm sure it does.
Yo, it's an N.
That thing could probably cook here.
Heck
Well,
yeah.
not now. That thing would just get mad understeer right about now.
Is this it? No, it's not. There's like a road here somewhere.
Say this? No, it's not this.
There was like a sign that was talking for it. Parts of the road aren't that wet, but I'm still not gonna send it though.
I think it's this one.
Yeah. It's time to see where the wind takes us. This looks like a freaking steep thing.
It looks very steep. Oh, I don't know where we're going. It looked like we were just falling off for a sec.
I know. Oh wait, single lane road.
Into the thick of it.
Facts. We're out here exploring.
Oh no! That was good brakes.
Holy crap. That was close.
That was really close.
There's like a huge divot like right there.
That would have effed you up.
Yeah.
Okay.
I could have gotten stuck maybe.
I don't even know if my car could make that dip.
Time to not go that way. I guess now we know why all the side roads aren't it. That guy was just like driving here.
He had a taco though.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh nice, there's a car coming, so good timing.
traction.
Oh,
Why'd you turn back on?
The stall?
Oh yeah,
Not
you're
the
right.
stall.
Yeah, the accidental turn off.
Yeah. You just wanted to park for a second.
Yeah, facts. Yo, it's like a fast Subaru. Those lights be getting me.
Yeah, I felt that. But then you just gotta remember, it's 55 miles per hour.
I wonder what the law would actually say for that. Like, maybe they would say since it's like bad conditions or something.
Yeah, but the sign's a sign.
That's what I'm saying. It's like, I read the one that was white, not the one that was yellow. Not racist though.
Hey, yo, why'd you pick that one? We'll cut that out.
Now we're about to go downhill. That's some understeer right there.
Just a little bit, but true.
At least I can feel where it's about to happen.
Trucks must stop.
In 1,000 feet.
Good lucky.
I'll think about it.
Hey, someone's
He's just looking. And he's waving.
He waved. Too bad you're boolin, so you have two hands on the wheel.
Damn. It's still pretty slow.
That is crazy slow.
Yeah, I don't know about that one. Shifting. You're right, it is kind of weirdly drying out.
Right? It's like patches of dry.
See, it's like, if I mess up this one, it's just like down bad for the whole thing, because this is the best drift turn. That's pretty cool.
That was really cool. It felt odd.
It did. It's like slippery, but also not. It's like this side is wet, but then that side isn't. And now it's grippy. Yeah.
Now it's wet.
Holy understeer. It's like it might be good enough for driving. Almost. How much time do we have left?
I'll look when we get up there.
Yeah, you're right.